Okay, Mike Stevens, this is all your fault. Because I watched a couple of your wing videos, and this old bird here, this Teksumo, well, you know, it was kind of fun, man, a couple years ago, I guess. And I thought it was fast, but I think by today's standards, this is a dinosaur. But let's see if I can get it up. I can get it up, I know that. Let's see if I can get the airplane up. Wind's coming actually off the hill, but right into the sun, so that kind of sucks. Because downwind launch, I got more runway it seems, but I've got reflex on this, but man, I know my last time something went out of trim and this thing nosed in and I didn't fly it anymore. Let's see what happens. The monitor is working. What an OSD on here, 12.2 volts. Kind of low, but it's probably not very accurate. Okay, which way I'm going to toss this? I don't want to go downwind. And into the sun, trying to trim it. I'm probably going to put it into the trees or into the pond at the end of the runway. Can we get it downwind? More reflex? Sure. That went okay, but that wind, man, that just sucked. There's lots of down forces and updraft and crosswind. It's ugly out there over the corn. Terrible. Of course, it's calmed down a lot since I landed. Just instantly. So I might have another one. This trim was pretty tough. It's way out of trim. Anyways, it's in one piece.